Guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a design system in your Sketch. Ready? Let's start. Let's go. There are a few options of doing it. I'm going to show you two. Right here on the upper left hand side of the screen, if you hit the Components tab, you're going to see a cog or settings icon. You can click on it and get to the window that we need. But let me show you another way before we proceed. We can go to Sketch and under the Preferences, pretty much hit that option over there, and right here we need to choose the Libraries tab, and we're bam at the same screen once again. So right here you can probably, you guessed it right, we're gonna click on Add Library. We're gonna redirect it to the library that we want. We're gonna hit the return button, and bam, we have it in our system. So let's see, let's close this one, and as you can see, it already just popped here. And let's go to create, pretty much put anything new. Let's go to the button, let's go to large, default. You see it's already in our document, and we can use whatever we want pretty much. All right, easy peasy.